Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Cik Muhammad Afiq bin 13 DKM 18F1115. Jadi company yang saya ambil adalah TNB, Tenaga Nasional Berhad. Untuk for company background, electricity first made an appearance in this country at the turn of the 20th century, and the earliest record of power generation can be traced back to a small mining town in Urawan, Selangor. Here two enterprising individuals, Yu and Tambozani, Pillai Estate installed an electric generation in 1894 to operate their mines. They were the first to use electric pump for mining in Malaya, and marked the great beginning of the story of electricity in Malaysia. In the same year, private supply for street lighting purpose was extended to Rawang Town, and in 1895, the railway station in Kuala Lumpur received its first electricity supply. In 19th century, the Sempayam hydroelectric power station in Raub, built by Raub Australian Gold Mining Company, became the first power station in Malaysia. For scope business, we don't know about our type of business that include core business like power generation, day power plant, and division. TNB non-core business is about subsidies and associates in management, supplies, service. They have associates relate to that. Training and development has all training arm, and operation and maintenance is about all business related to the topic. They cover everything that makes the TNB. For application of maintenance system in the selected company, maintenance service specialist, maintenance of all thermal and hydro power plant, combined and open cycle gas turbine, and all associated equipment including diesel generation plant, test and diagnosis, undertaker of power plant performance test CNI, and plant calibration electric equipment maintenance including generator and transformer. The weakness and the problem. Have not encouraged self-motivation. Second, do not like to try a new technique and technologies to more improvement. Self not obtain additional training. And they are still on schedule breakdown, overtime labor, high cost of spare part, and high risk of secondary failure. So the conclusion is, for this study, we learned maintenance were very important in organization that help them to secure the machine very well. Maintenance and management is need to an actual or imminent fail. Ideally, maintenance is carried out to keep equipment and system running efficiently during a functional based on time. It shows maintenance management is important component of all well functional production. Is where companies maintain their resource while controlling time and cost to ensure maximum efficiency of the manufacturing process, the utilities and related facilities. That's all for me. Thank you.